In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show your past experience on LinkedIn. We'll make a quick adjustment in your LinkedIn settings so your previous roles are visible on your public profile. This helps recruiters, clients, and collaborators get a fuller picture of your background, even if they aren't connected with you yet. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then select the official LinkedIn website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that as you normally would. Once you land on LinkedIn, look to the left-hand side of the home page for your profile preview. Click your profile there to open your full profile page. This is your main profile view where you see your headline, About section, and experience entries. On your profile page, find the option labeled Public Profile and URL. This is the area where you control what information appears on your public-facing profile, the version people can see without logging in. Click the pencil icon next to it to open the visibility settings. You'll be taken to a panel dedicated to your public profile settings. Here, LinkedIn lets you decide what sections are visible. Scroll down through the options until you locate the toggle for past experience. This toggle specifically controls whether your previous positions show up to people viewing your public profile. When you find the past experience option, click the toggle to turn it on. You'll typically see the switch change state right away. This tells LinkedIn to include your prior roles alongside your current position on the public version of your profile. Give it a few moments to update, as changes may take a short time to reflect everywhere. A few quick tips as you make this change. Visibility settings determine what others see, not what's stored, so make sure the experience entries you've already added are accurate and clearly written. If you notice outdated titles or typos, plan to refresh those details in your experience section after you adjust visibility. Also, keep in mind that showing past experience helps with searchability and credibility, especially if your older roles showcase key skills or notable employers. If you're in a confidential transition or prefer to keep a minimal footprint, you can return to these settings anytime and turn the toggle back off. That's it. You searched for LinkedIn, went to your profile, opened Public Profile and URL, scrolled to the Past Experience setting, and switched it on. With that small change, your professional story is more complete and easier for the right people to discover.